What is going on, peeps? Got something a little new on the agenda. I used to do some, I don't know if you want to call it foraging, I guess, foraging. A while back, one of my older videos, I did some leek picking, digging, whatever you want to call it. Trying something a little bit different today. We are going to pick some blueberries. Tomorrow is the last day for the season here in Wisconsin. A little bit different of a season just with the weather. Everything was a little bit earlier this year. So we are going to check out Porter's Patch up in Bonduel, Wisconsin, northeast section of the state. So I'm going to go check that out. Last time I went blueberry picking, it was, back when I was a kid. It's been a very long time, and I do get a lot of joy out of harvesting my own food, whether it be, hunting or fishing or picking blueberries. So pretty excited about that. So I will, I'll drop a link down below to their website too. They do strawberries, he said, or it looked like they were done pretty early this year. Again, everything was a little bit earlier. So strawberries, blueberries. They have a pumpkin patch, which is pretty cool, that I'll probably check out here next month. And go check that out. And they have some mazes and different stuff for fall, which I thought was pretty cool too. So we will check that out. I might do another video with that, but I'll drop a link down below to the website. You guys can check it out if you are in the area. But yeah, I will see y'all tomorrow. What is going on? We are back from the patch. Pretty successful. Got a big old, let me grab it right here. Big old bucket of blueberries. For being the last day of the season, not gonna lie, still a ton of blueberries out there. I was a little surprised that this was the last day, but we're gonna figure out what we're gonna do with these. Do some, cook some stuff, maybe make some jelly or jam or preserves or whatever you want to call it. Also might just can some fresh ones. Has anyone ever done that before? You just can fresh blueberries? Let me know if you have, because I'm kind of curious. But yeah, we got some plans for these. Obviously eat, a good amount of them, but I'm not a bear, so I don't think I can eat them all fresh. So we're gonna figure some stuff out. Some cool stuff that they got going on here coming up soon, towards the end of September. Looks like they are doing like pumpkin patch, and I was talking with the owner before I left, and he had mentioned something about partnering up or doing some stuff with Packer football, NFL stuff, and having some mazes out there, and making it like a little game to find some stuff and do all that. So I think that would be super cool. So I'll definitely be going back there this fall, well, in month and a half or so, checking that out and see what's going on with that. But yeah, what we're gonna do here is figure out what's going on with these blueberries, get them cleaned up, and do some brainstorming, find some recipes that I think would work well, and get a lot of them canned, because I'm not going to be able to eat all these again. Let's preserve them as much as we can. So drop some ideas down in the comments below. Like, what is your favorite fresh blueberry recipe, whether it be just throwing some on some pancakes or whatever it may be. Drop it down below. I'd love to hear from you guys and see what you guys do with this many freaking blueberries. It is a pail. The pail costed me $45, but it's more than just the pail, I guess, of blueberries, or more than just the cost. Honestly, $45 for a good amount of blueberries. I mean, you're going to be paying the same or more in a store, and it's very rewarding being able to pick them yourself. So I love that experience. Being able to do that is super fun and super cool to me. So even more so when they're wild, stumble across some wild ones, that's super awesome. But yeah, let me do some brainstorming, figure out what recipes I can come up with, and we will catch y'all in a minute. Peace.